Good morning, Quadcopter 101, and what I got for you today is a review of another folding drone. This is the IAMGLOBAL Fly to World F12W is another name for it. It is a folding quadcopter, as you can see. Let me put down its transmitter first. But a folding quadcopter, but it folds differently than others. You know, it folds all of its arms in a clockwise manner. To unfold them and to fold them, there's a little button on the bottom here. You bring them out, press the button and extend it. Press the button here and extend the arm, and press the button here and extend the arm, and there you go. It's extended. Now its camera is a 720p HD camera. It's you can swivel it up and down. It transmits its 720p HD video directly to your phone via Wi-Fi. Here's the Wi-Fi transmitter antenna. It records directly to your phone only. There is no microSD card slot on it for recording the video directly to a microSD card. It also has an on-off switch on the bottom. Here's its look from the front. Let's adjust it so you can see it like so. And again, it is folding. These also fold up its legs. You can remove it, you know, these plugs like this, and they fold inward like so. And then when you want to extend the legs, you push these little pins in and they are extended. So that's the quadcopter. Let's go over the controller now. This is the controller. Actually, most of these are all labeled out, telling you what they do. This is headless mode. This is one key return. This is takeoff and landing, this S and L. The rights button is here, and the flip button is here if you want it to flip. And the on-off switch is there. And if you have an emergency, it does have emergency stop if you land in a tree or if it's going away from you. You press this button here and the motors will stop. And these are trim buttons. And this is throttle. And notice it has altitude hold on this quadcopter because the throttle was centered. This is yaw, this is pitch, and this is roll. Now it has a photo and video button. These are inoperative since this is the Wi-Fi version of this. To record the video and start and stop the video, you need to use the VS_UFO app, available on Google Play and iTunes to do such. So let's go for a flight of this thing and see how it performs. Hope you enjoy this flight. Okay, this is the VS_UFO app, available on Google Play and iTunes. And I'm going to hit the play button here, and this should bring it up our FPV reception, and we got FPV reception. And I'm going to hit record right now. And we got recording. And let's take to the air. First off, does it start if you bring it down and out? Or down and in? No, I guess you have to start it via the takeoff landing button. So yep, there we go. Giving it throttle. And let's see the reception. Reception looks good. Let's try headless mode. Headless mode activated, which is the headless mode direction. And with that in mind, let's turn it around. And do I show up in the picture? I do. And with that in mind, since I want to try it out as a selfie quadcopter, let's try that land button. And we're going to start and stop the quadcopter in a different direction. So landing. And stop. Stop button. Okay, let's point it this way now. And stopping the video, and starting the video, and pressing takeoff, and giving it throttle. Well, I guess I'm still in headless mode direction. Okay, I'm going to take it out of headless mode, folks, in a bit. But trying it out, going up higher. And turning headless mode off. Now we're flying at normal. And I'm still recording. Okay, let's take it up higher and get a pan of the area. Going up higher, and let's increase its rate because we have a bit of a wind today. And rotating it, rotating it, rotating it, rotating it, and pitching forward and coming down. So another folding Wi-Fi quadcopter. I don't know what the quality of the FPV is. I do have good signal. I'm looking at it right now. going down this way, turning it around, and bringing it back toward me. How do you like my shirt today, folks? If I'm showing up? I should be showing up. Let's bring it down lower. Yeah, there I am. Here's today's shirt. I can see myself. So one thing though, the camera, again, it can be swiveled up or down, but this is the maximum up angle that it gives you, unfortunately. You can't push it up all the way to see the horizon, and you know, that's kind of unfortunate because of that. If you could rise it up higher, it'd be great, but you can use it as a selfie quadcopter, kind of. You can also fly with the app only if you wish, but I don't see why anybody would do that because it's much easier to fly with a controller. Okay, let's go upwind a bit and try out its acrobatics and its flight ability. Pressing the flip button. And there's its flips, so it can flip. Coming back up, let's go to higher rate. It's got beginner and intermediate. Oh no, there we go, that's expert. And that wind's picking up, so it's going into it though. Oh, it's a good flyer. So let's try that again. Okay, the wind's really picking up now. Let's go into it. Going upwind, turn it around. And coming back. So, okay, let's try it. Go upwind and try its funnels. Funnels. Well, it's more yaw turns than funnels. This is the wind blowing it by the way. Quite a bit of wind. But it's fighting it. And full yaw turn at high rate. And let's bring it in close. Go into a lower rate. So, the remainder of the flight, let's see it up close. Coming down lower, lower, lower. Its backlight is blinking. I don't know if that's telling me that it's LVC warning or not. Possibly. Front light is blinking too. Front red light. So again, I'm not sure if we're low rate or not. Can I get any more flips out of it? Nope. So we are getting low. Let's stop and start that video real quick, just to make sure I got the video. So we got LVC warning now. Doesn't want to flip anymore. So let's see how much flight time we get with after LVC warning. Stuff seems to have a lot of power in it. By the way, this comes with a 500 milliampere hour battery with white low C connectors, so you will be able to find replacement batteries for it easily. Gives you plenty of LVC warning. Going upwind. Is that blue light still blinking? It's still blinking. And now, does it drop on low battery, or does it just land? We're going to find out here shortly. It's getting sluggish now. Getting sluggish. There it is up close. I don't know if you can see the blue light blinking. The blue light shows up better than on the back. Shows up better than the front light. Bring it down a little bit lower and holding it steady so you can see it up close. And then going out again till it lands or drops. Going up high. Hello up there. Can I see me? Yeah, I see me. There's my, yeah, there it is. There, it lands itself. So that's nice. Emergency stop. So it lands itself on low battery. So that's its flight. Let me stop the video. So again, this is the IAMGLOBAL Fly to World, available on Amazon, not your normal one from China websites. This one comes from Amazon. So I hope you enjoyed this flight. Let me get a thumbnail of it. It's Quadcopter 101, signing out.